Okay, it's time for these little kittens to meet the tigers. Can you believe it? Well, I'm gonna just load them up. There's a big difference between the little black one and the two grey ones. I can see that the two grey ones are much stronger. So let me just zip them up and then get hold of the straps from the other side. They're a little bit high, so I'm gonna just grab them like that, pick them up, out, oops, right, and let's take them down. Boys are there in the pool. Puppies are all asleep. Just look at that. Oh, and there I made a noise. And they're all awake. Okay, let me go. Just gonna take them down here. Mothers should follow me. Come. Come. Come, Iso. Come. Just gonna put them down here on the step first and close up. I want her to be there as well. Enzo there in the pool. Or could that be Diego? No, that's Enzo. Yep, come. Come. So I did think about this first, and then I thought, no, it's almost 5 o'clock. I should not be showing the tigers, the kittens, at this time of the day. Why? Because it's feeding time, and they might get the wrong idea. And then I thought, well, if I show them the kittens at feeding time, and they don't get to eat them, they will realize even better that this is not food. These are kittens, and they should be even safer. So here's the first little one. Let's see how they react. I'm just gonna put them over here, not too close at first. Enzo is screaming, but that's not for the kitten. Diego! Diego is coming over here. Just call him. I just want to keep an eye on the rest of the kittens here as well. Mother is there, looking at them. Diego on his way. Diego! I want to get them both in the shot. Diego, kyk hier so goed. Not going to go too close. Well, that's pretty close. It's closer than she feels comfortable with. Let me just put them back. And Daisy came through. I think I should just put Daisy away first. Daisy, come here. I'm just going to put Daisy back there first. She's getting a bit nervous, so I'm closing them up. Putting her back in here. Come, Daisy. Come here. Come. Okay, now Daisy is back in the house. So she's gotten a little nervous there. So I closed him up immediately. Just want her to realize that everything is fine. Just give her a few seconds. Enzo running that side. Diego. Okay, let's try again. Open up. Just want her to see and confirm with everything. Don't want to do anything that she's not comfortable with. Vegetarian cat. Also, he heard her cries and he came to see what is going on. Is there something that he can do about it? Now, he's also only saw these kittens once. And yeah, he looks like he's afraid of the kittens. Right, little one. And the tigers are gone. Can you believe it? Just when I started talking and it sounded like who is gonna take the responsibility of being the dad, the tigers just ran away. So where's that little black one? Let me just put them down here first. Enzo is back. I'm just gonna let them walk around here for a couple of seconds. checking him out. Don't want her to be nervous at all, because it's about trust. She needs to know that she can trust me with her kittens. That's the most important thing here at the moment. So there's no way I'm doing anything that she's not able to see. Now the thing is with Daisy, before Daisy came to us, she was not used to kittens or cats for that matter. So she has started to protect these little kittens whenever anything would go close to the kittens. And it's not like a dog of her caliber should act like. She just learned that she likes these kittens. But when she came in here just now, she was actually very nervous. She was a bit nervous about having Daisy around the kittens. So this little one, I don't want to just hold them the whole time. I want them to feel like they're able to walk around, but not, I don't want to hold them the whole time, trying to get them to trust the situation. Now, I noticed something just now when I rubbed my finger over this little kitten's tail. He's got like a little bump on his tail inside, and I'm just going to feel the others as well. They're fine. This little one is fine. But then on the mother cat, when I feel her like that, right on the edge of her tail, I can feel she's got that as well. So maybe this little one is carrying that over from the mother. I will just watch that and make sure that the little tail stays perfect. Okay, so let's try this again. Calling the tigers. Diego responded with a greet back. Let's see when Enzo comes here. I want to show him. I've already showed him that. I'm going to show him the little black one. Kijk eens zo Sienna. And no response whatsoever. Let's take another one. I'm going to put this little one back in. Diego! Kom Sienna! Kom kyk hierso. Let's see if Diego comes this way. Let's show this little cat to... Now, I can see how the cats are getting nervous, and then I take them away. Kijk hier zo, Sienna. Enzo just looking at this little one. He's smelling him. Walking away. Let me put this little one back as well. And you can see that this mother cat is trusting me. She knows that I will not do anything to her little kittens. Now, I just want to show this one as well. He's coming to look at them. I think she's going to freak out and run away. Yep, and there's the freak. And there's the runaway. I know cats. But most important thing is let them go. Don't force them to be around the kittens. If they are not able to handle it yet, don't force them. They will come around and they will be fine. Diego! Now I think Diego is going to come this side. Let's see. He has not seen them yet. Just making sure. All fine. Okay. Let me take this little one. Kijk hier zo, Diego. Look at this, boy. I've got my eyes focused on his nose there, making absolutely sure he's thinking about it. And he's shaking his head. He's saying no. Diego! He's coming back. As I'm calling him, he's coming back. Let's see. I'm going to take another one. Putting this little one back. And this one is lining up, ready to come and see. Diego, kyk hierso, puta. No, he's walking away. Well, totally different reaction that the tigers are giving towards the kittens. But let me just... Enzo greeting the kitten, but that is it. They don't really care. Well guys, that's a couple of minutes on the kittens. Just going to put them by their mother quickly, just so she can count them and be sure that they are all fine. So the black one is a bit smaller than the others. I want him to drink more than the other two, but they are tending to dominate the drinking. Okay, well, that's it. I'm going to be putting them back in, taking them upstairs, and they'll all be fine. Let me do that quickly. Putting them in here. These cats are all freaking out. Daisy over there, she is just looking at them constantly. Yeah. They are all perfectly fine. Going back. Tigers couldn't care less. Let's end this with a nice shot from Enzo. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll make another video soon about them. Maybe they've got some different responses. Have a good day.